How to send any files on Snapchat. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can send any files on Snapchat. So to do that, make sure that you have already installed the latest version of Snapchat so that you won't miss out any new features. If you have already done so, then it's okay. Now to send any files on Snapchat, how can you do is, if you want to send this one file right here, then tap on the three vertical dots right there and you will see many options right here. You can simply download and then open and paste there. You can also send a copy. You can also, there are many options right here, but there is no option of sharing it on Snapchat. When you tap on the share button, you can only share it in the Gmail account of any other person. So how you can send to any person the certain file is, copy the link. After you copy the link, open your Snapchat profile, go on the chat section, go on the account of any person that you want to save, long press and paste it, and you can simply save it. So this is how you send any files for anyone and they can simply access to your account. Hope this video helps you, and if there is any suggestions or compliments, then you can simply write on the comment section. For now, do thumbs up and subscribe on our video for more videos like this. Thank you.